What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode. Today we're going to do a LED upgrade. There are certain lights on this car that are actually LED already, but I don't know, Ford decided not to make them all LED, so that's what we're gonna fix today. I have a bunch of them already, so I'm gonna show you what I'm doing today, and maybe you can use that for your own Mustang. Alright, so as you can see, I already have a bunch of them. These are, well, only one of them. One of them is going to be for the reverse light. That's one of the lights are not LED. So we have a bunch to choose from. And I forgot to mention, I'm actually upgrading my side markers. So these have a light pattern that matches the tail lights. These tail lights are fully LED as well, and they light up this way. As you can see, it's just a incandescent bulb. So we're gonna fix that. We're gonna make them look like that. So we have these. I got these from eBay. They're like 40 bucks, so I'll put the link in the description. So far, this seems to be really good in quality. So let's get going. So let's fix the trunk light first, and then we can move on to the other lights. This light pops out from this corner, so push this corner in, and it's a little tab right here. Push it and it comes out this way. And as you can see, it's not LED. Let's pick one of these and we'll go from there. Alright, so we got the LED installed. I don't know if you can see that, but it's much cleaner looking. So let's clip it back in place. Yeah, much better. Can't wait for nighttime. Okay, now we're gonna move into the inside of the car, and we're gonna do the glove box. You see, it's halogen, so incandescent. I keep saying halogen. Incandescent light bulb. So let's make that LED, make it look nice and pretty. You see, it's like all tucked in there. That one doesn't have a cover, so it should be easy to have access. Alright, let's get going. Alright, this got serious pretty quick. So in order to get a better angle on that, I decided to just remove the glove box. It's held by this thing right here. It's like a little shock or a slow release. Unhook it from there, and then you push these stoppers. They're on both sides, so push them in. You can bend them like this. So just push them in this way, and the glove box should come down like that. Alright, so I popped out the light, and this is what we're replacing it with. It's so much cleaner. Nice, right? I like it. Now we're gonna do those right there. You have to pull down on this like this, and then it'll come down. I can get it. Alright, so as you can see, it's held by two clips, one here and one over there. This is so much brighter. That one was ugly. Alright, that's the finished product right there. So you can see my hand, the light's so much cleaner. The interior is going to look so much more elegant, and it's going to match, you know, this beautiful interior. Okay, we got the vanity lights now. I'm going to do these right here. These are pretty simple. The covers come out this way, and then we have T5s in there. That's the bulb size. T5s. For these, I forgot to mention, these are T10s for the trunk, vanity, and glove box. So that's the difference right there. Alright, so I had to do something that I didn't expect. I had to remove the vanity light itself. It's held by two Phillips screws on the top right there in those top holes. The reason why is because the LED was not clearing in order to install the lights through there. It was easier to just remove the vanity light and then installing the LED. Very simple to do, just, you know, just one extra step. Look at that, the interior looks so much nicer. I love it. So I started working on the side markers already. It's very easy to get to this. There's a clip on this side. Just get underneath the car, just put your hand in there and push it this way, and then it'll pop out this way. As you can see, I already popped it out. All right. They're labeled, as you can see. It's this one's left, this one's left. They have an L on them, so very simple to do. So basically, you do need this light bulb right here, the socket at least. Just take the light bulb out of here, and here on the LED, you're gonna plug it into the socket, and then you plug in the socket back into the car. So we're gonna test this out real quick. Wow, look at that. That's so bright. That looks so much nicer. I like it. But first, let's just disconnect it real quick. Push the excess wiring in there. And then twist it in place. Alright. Alright, so all you have to do is just plug it in there. And then put it back in the car. Just like that, it's done. Wow, that's bright. But you can see the difference right here. And this is the OEM one. Much dimmer. Alright, so I'm gonna get the other side done real quick. And then after that, I'm gonna do the reverse light. Alright, quick view. Side markers are done. It looks really nice. You see how bright they are? Alright, so I moved on to the reverse light. So we're gonna change that. Alright, so we're back. And this is the LED. Much brighter, right? I'm really loving how it looks right now. I absolutely love how it came out. And this is the interior. Much brighter. Alright guys, so this was a quick DIY for the 2015-17 Mustangs owners out there. So make sure you hit the thumbs up and make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next one. Peace.